Billionaire philanthropist Bill Gates has disclosed his intention to give away nearly of his $200 billion wealth, leaving only 1% for himself as he shuts down the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Microsoft co-founder stated on Thursday in a post on his personal blog. Gates notes that the foundation, which is considered to be among the most significant charitable organizations globally, will close its doors by December 31st, 2045. People will say a lot of things about me when I die, but I'm determined that he die rich will not be one of them. There are too many urgent problems to solve for me to hold on to resources that could be used to help people, he said. In a chart shared in the blog post, Gates revealed that he plans to give away 99% of his wealth by 2045, leaving just 1%, or about $1.6 billion, for himself and his family. Founded in 2000 with his now ex-wife, Melinda French Gates, the foundation has spent over $100 billion on global health, education, poverty alleviation, helping to fund vaccine development, medical research, and emergency aid around the world. He also notes a shift from the original plans. Reports speculated that the remaining 1% of his fortune will ultimately go to his 3 adult children, Phoebe, Roy, and Jennifer. Outlining the foundation's achievement, he said,
"No, this is a decision I've been thinking about for several years. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary. The results we've had from our giving, particularly in global health, have been far beyond what I expected, cutting childhood deaths from over 10 million a year down under 5 million. So it's doubling down on what's worked well, and that's despite the fact that in the near term, things may go backwards because of these funding cuts."
But in an interview with the Associated Press on Thursday, he remains unapologetic, saying like any private citizen, he can choose how to spend the money he earns. While this new revelation has ignited reactions, please share your thoughts in the comment box section below and keep watching Naija News TV for more news updates.